retail, markdowns aren't really just eating profits. They are devouring entire business models. At this moment, clothing retailers are seeing their discounts jump from 30% to 90% during big sale events, which is threatening their very own survival across all EBOs and MBOs. Typical contribution margins in especially ethnic wear retail have collapsed from 50% to as low as 30%. With network of over 400 plus EBOs, MBOs, along with D2C platforms, retailers have been losing crores annually. We know that festivals and wedding collections face the deepest discounts, creating a vicious cycle. Number one, reactive, panic driven markdown decisions without data back. Number two, inconsistent pricing and excessive discounting across stores and online platforms.
Let me explain the difference between discount and markdown with a super simple example. Let's talk about discount. You mark the item at 120 rupees. That's the MRP or price tag. Then, to attract customers, you give a discount of 20 rupees. So, what's the final selling price? 120 minus 20 is equals to 100. Now you think about it, you sold it at 100 rupees, but what exactly did it cost you? You made zero profit here. Now, let's talk about markdown approach. Instead of showing 120 rupees and giving a discount, you directly price the product at 110 rupees. No discounts, no tricks. Customer sees rupees 110 and buys it. What's your profit now? 10 rupees, right? Even though the price looks lower, you actually made money. So, talking about the takeaway, discounting might look attractive for the business, but it did kill your profit. Markdown, on the other hand, means you smartly priced it from the start, sell confidently, and still make a profit. So, the next time business should think about this: should I give a discount or simply mark down and win?
When we are talking about the markdown specifically with respect to SAP, that how we are going to solve that into SAP, we have specific pricings, okay, terms where we can write certain logics into the pricing, and SAP can easily calculate the markdowns, and it can easily give you the margins, and you can also populate those margins into specific reports where the business can easily get the details of how much is the MRP of the product, when the MRP was changed, how much markdown fluctuations you had, right? Because retailers have their specific category managers and their product categories, which defined a specific markdowns for a specific period of time, right? So they can also see into the reports what all different markdown percentages they have done.
So, what you're seeing here is SAP's centralized pricing architecture, the foundation of a truly profitable retail operation. This integrated pricing procedure ensures your strategic decisions flow consistently from headquarters to every sales channel. Leading retailers report this systematic approach reduces pricing errors by up to 65%, directly improving bottom line results. Here's SAP's automated price governance in action. Rather than relying on manual spreadsheets that cost retailers millions in price inconsistencies, the system automatically updates condition records across your organization. This automation typically reduces markdown related losses by 18% while cutting down administrative costs by 40%. The real profit driver is SAP's multi-channel calculation engine. Notice how a single system manages pricing across all three stores while maintaining your strategic markup policies. This level of coordination eliminates the pricing silos that typically erode retail margins by 2 to 3% annually. Most importantly, SAP enables strategic margin differentiation. While maintaining central control, you can apply store-specific markups, 15% here, 5% there, based on market position, competition, or location advantages. This precision typically increases overall profitability by 3 to 4% while reducing excess inventory by 22%, transforming your pricing strategy into a true competitive advantage.
SAP transforms Markdown from a profit drain to a strategic advantage. Discover SAP's retail solutions now.